There. In the sun, you can see.
Fibreglass dust. Oké, buta. Hou vast die touwtje. Hou vast die touw.
Where's the other one?
Here.
You put all of them on.
Okay, set mate.
How do you feel?
Interesting. That was fun.
It's not clear. So this is like here on top. And sound. The light fitting was serviced. Now everything is in this bag. With the Sika gun and Sika, Ruwan gonna climb up to fit the bag on top of that. Okay, we're gonna change to a new one.
I'm gonna do the other.
Sissy, bird is off.
I have arrived.
Come up.
I did not think this through. That's pretty fun.
Yeah, this is the first time you use it.
This is much better than sitting there and trying to get into the water.
Old spreader caps. You can see it is sailboat. Yeah, no, it's quite hard. So I'm going to just trace that onto a apron.
It's later on. This is also hard,
Yeah.
even
But
new.
then you're going to go and put some dubbing on it to make it soft. Cut it out, punch holes, back on the spreaders.
I'm gonna climb up. Here's the tools I have and see it. Okay, let's go.
There's a tether there. Tether.
It's hanging there.
Right up.
We have our Epirb come back. The people put in very nice box. So nice time test is next year November, and the new battery life is now 2029, and that's 6 years.